Hello guys, I got Riska Brain 2. I added also 2 mods with it. I played a little bit without recording to get a hang of the game. And the 2 mods I got was just class mods. Is this bomber and somewhere is a gunslinger. I don't know which one because it's not great. I like this one. So yeah, and I play as hunters.
And I'm here,
Yeah.
playing FNF, like usual. But just know when this video comes out, I might actually release a video soon.
Finally, after 2 years of
I don't know why, but I've just been really motivated to, so I've just been really wanting to edit for some reason. So yeah. I know I said it in the other one, but I'm just saying I might. I'm not even saying it.
Might equals will never.
Who knows? I just need a video idea, that's it.
Let's start brainstorming.
Oh, is that one?
Yeah.
I have no new commentary, but I play with one of my friends a little bit of it. You're wondering, I am pretty sure it should be, but to get the bomber guy, you need to have 20 sticky bombs. I feel like that's impossible. Without the artifact where you can pick your item, because how do you ever get 20 of them in a normal game? It makes no humanly possible sense. I'll just get 20 sticky bombs and nothing. Sticky bombs gonna pop. I'm eating a chips right now. As you know, so you might see me sour hear them. And this is why I like my life. I can be like, then these guys get deleted. Gamble. More gambling. More gamble. Very nice. There's healing device. Never got that before.
Yeah, actually, I'm not gonna try playing Rejected anymore. I'm just not gonna beat it.
What's this? Have the forest. Why not? Printer. Nah. Ayan bro. Kasi karat. Oh sir. Don't mind me. Where are you, sir? Hello? I don't know how to do I don't know what the commentary about. So all I am is doing an archer dude that knows how to have aimbot for no reason. That's all I know about. Oh, do more damage from closer to them now.
Actually, move my last amendments now. Because since I was playing FNF.
What's that? Oh, the ski bombs. That's the top part of it. Don't mind me, guy. So don't mind me. I'm not here to kill you. Thank for the boost. I very appreciate the boost you gave me, sir. One turret. I don't care about that. Portal here.
What?
One by gunter here.
The most interesting part. You know, now that I see and looked at Terraria, now I kind of wanna make a video of Terraria.
Big boy, where are you? You want to toss to the game? Here's wife. First time playing this game. First boss this guy. Kill me in 2 seconds.
How do you have over max HP?
Because I have regenerating shield, probably that's why. I can't dodge as island's too small to dodge an explosion attack. Like this boss just stinks in overall.
I'm thinking and debating so hard whether I should make a video of Paint Terraria or not.
Alright.
You know what? Sure, why not? It's like I don't know what else to do right now. Just wanna look it up.
De mij kunnen volgen wat nog lessen hebben.
I mean, leave.
Niet dan.
You first sleep with Evan 5 times. Okay. Oh, him. Okay.
Lekker op de jaar 12 now.
Orange of time.
Lekker op de jaar 12
Ooh, that's good PCs. I don't care about that. But a good thing for a good thing.
Ik zie dat je het ja. Ja. Oh, dat is goed.
You can see what this 3 triple daggers is.
Ja, we zijn
10% of bleed can stack. Meat if have if the ammo and body teams equals a good combo.
Ja.
See what I mean? Good combo. I have a lot of bleed stack and go kill slam. There you go. Do that and just leave. Me go backwards to get through the chest today, so I have to start.
Ja, het is goed zeker. Ja. Als ze er nog toe zijn, dan is het ook goed. Maar als dat mooi ja.
The good thing back.
Dus kan die ook kan niet dan getting good. Dan zit er dan niet langer voor die. Ja. Ja, dan zal zitten. Dan kan ik maar die kant van de zin. En ze doen nog pas naar zeker goed. Ja, maar dan zeker plan nog. Ik kan even niet hoor, ik zit dan kan je zo een band niet. Ja, ze denkt niet. Ja, maar
The game has
zie je nog blauw. Ik zie dat nog.
a new stand, bro. What? No, I'm just not gonna
Ja, maar het zie je niet. Ja. En je komt nog goed stap. Ja. Ze is zeker goed gedaan. In alle van kosten zien we maar link van die groepen. Ja, dat de kleine is, het is sticky uit de slime. En niet in products. Ja, dat is een goede idee. Ja. Dat is dus ook een kant te hebben. Van Marius en Martino. Gesproken op zijn internet eigenlijk voor het lichaam. Ik heb een mogelijkheid naar die kan je dat ook van het jaar op gebruik. En hij zegt van dat kan hij in de tool van vooraf bijvoorbeeld. Dan krijg je een pakket van beter is en dan niet moeder voor te krijgen. Dus opeens lijkt van. Ja. Kasi sayang siya presto pa rin. Kung saan ka makakagat kung sumili, ito dahil sa mga ako. Kasi gamit mo sa kung pala, sinutang pala. So, para para sa
Oh, these damn chests. I can't keep forgetting on my video. The commentary. Midstone stock. I don't need help, kind of, because I know how to help out, actually. I should gamble my money. Gambling is good for you guys. Definitely gambling. It's definitely good. It's all gambling. Me can gambling marks. I'm too good at gambling. By getting rewards times in a row.
You can be lucky at gambling, sure. That makes sense, but like good at gambling. Makes sense at all.
Interpretation?
Så vi se alla artiklar på musiken och sen studerar
Wait,
sånt polis.
what does everyone want to catch from this?
Polis i filmen
We add another one.
så har jag alltid på
So
den big part av det vi select for
What?
go down.
I'm just like, what?
Turn it down. Oh wait, so whenever I speak, I'm like this on, and if I'm making, it's a bit noise. Okay, say stuff.
Yeah, when you, hello guys, look at when you.
Okay, that should be good.
You ping pong them. I like to see the ping pong action.
That's all right. Oh no, yeah. My parents have to make
Like, no video to Dustin. I should my start talking. Ping pong class. Okay, I can't ping pong. Just there, get one tap. Yippee! Hard to put the activity.
You know, wait, I'm just gonna probably just like make an edited intro later on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, you know, like all the people talking in the background. So today, as you can see, we're gonna be playing Terraria. Sorry for not uploading for like months. We're just lazy, okay? Don't judge me. I've already played a little bit, but I'm making it so don't start late. Yeah, you know? Just calm down in the comment section. I'm gonna make a character and actually put it in. And of course, there was here, so yeah. He's also recording over in this for friends, also go check out his channel right now.
I'm gonna go check out his coffee channel right now, also. Why are so many of these guys coming? Like, go more three chip daggers. Dodge.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do medium, classic, and random. That's it.
wanneer het is zoals je het wil. Dus je gaat eens anders.
Bow, bow. You just hear him like also just start following.
Draw je die scroll voor. Dan moeten we die aanhalen.
So by the way, guys, tomorrow and probably by the time this video is uploaded is gonna be my birthday. This video is probably gonna be uploaded after it's my birthday. I don't know, but yeah,
Probably the editing.
it's my birthday. And it's corruption.
No, that's stuck.
Damn, another pollution filter. Oh, as usual.
Maar het is wel zo.
Bruh.
Wait, let's just check one thing. Okay, yeah. I'm just making sure that I didn't like accidentally go in with the mods. Just and there we go.
Gasolan, you know. God, you need gold close to do more damage.
And also, guys, comment down below if you like anything. But that I've already gotten hit and second damage is not good. Get away from me, slime.
I hate
Yeah, it's like, oh, hello, is this a Harry Blossom? Being just by another slime, like, oh, the scholar just hit a trick shot on a slime and just destroyed his life.
360 no
Like,
scope, you know?
no, I just kind of hit him like while he was midair, because he jumping towards me, you know. But still, I destroyed his life. Squirrel, come here. I need food. We not get food from that? Oh, rip squirrel.
Missiles.
Okay, this one. Oh, oh wait, it's just like stone. I kind of forgot what I last achieved when I played this game. Oh wait, you know, I should probably stick towards like around spawn where my like buddy is.
But we're friends now, dude.
Okay, bro, you need to like protect me, bro. You have a bow, I have a sword. Just like you just need to, yeah, Wyatt. You need to protect me, bro. That is your only
Skull.
job right now. You serve no other purpose but that. Ah, crafting table. Oh.
Or we stack blood damage stream. That's why I want the more. That's why I want the 100% of stack blood damage.
Okay, chill out. Slime.
Or like
I'm stuck
slam. It's like slam. Calm down. Like sir. Down.
Chill out.
I should keep gambling. Because I don't know what else to spend it on.
Bro, does nothing drop food in this game? Like, do I even need food like at all?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Ready for some Minecraft.
Bench, that's a table. But I have to scroll up to scroll down. Like, what is this logic game?
You're not the only one that
I
gives
got
it
a
that.
sword now.
No, I took a shot. I
Oh,
like
wait,
that.
okay. Is it? Which one do this? Two different places to put on armor. Oh wait, this one's actually armor. The other one's clothes,
Mhm.
like a robe or something.
Bruh.
Okay, fishing pole. No, I don't want to go fishing.
I forgot Solar's
Oh,
theme.
okay, wait. So how am I supposed to make a floor?
We're
Do
gonna
I
get.
just not make?
We gotta learn the basics.
Look it up.
Oh wait, it was. Where was the portal again?
Am I supposed to make a floor? Why can't I make wood with the wood? All right, this is this a floor? Okay, I just this like this guy's alive. Ah, okay. Bro. If you do not. Oh, which is just the way these slimes light. So it's cool. I'm just like back to the camera now. No way. Remove this. Can I not mine that or something? Hello? I want this gum. What the hell am I supposed to do to this, like, mound? Wait, maybe I hit it with an axe. Yeah.
Hello, is that gonna boost me up?
Destroyed? Not gone. I want to make a house that's like big enough, but I don't know like how big is big enough, you know? But I might have bed out this way.
Oh my god, that's actually so big. Devious, we were there. In both learned. Oh, guys, will kill my friend.
I think this is big enough. Oh wait.
Is it not the missiles?
Get destroyed. Get absolutely destroyed, bro.
I send
Okay,
the
yes, I'm gonna need two
missiles.
poles. Oh wait, where the hell did my friend go?
Somewhere. I don't know the pinpoint location of him, but somewhere.
What are you doing?
Get him away
You're
in
not
the fight.
you are not doing the best job at like protecting me, you know?
Be gambling mid fight.
It doesn't let me put down the door.
No.
Girls,
Yeah. Like, if you try to need help, I can't speak.
how do I put down a door? Do I need like a wall or something?
Yeah, I think so. You need to have them top it. I also haven't played a while, but that's what I think you need. So you just top it up for it, and you can plan it. It's hard to speak and try to help someone when I'm in the middle of a bad situation.
You should go away.
Oh, we're getting sucked by the demons?
Destroyed? Oh wait, but if I have to put wood on top of it, then does that mean that I can put the door and it will be like next to it or something? No.
Enter blue portal.
I need to put one more wood above it. If I break these below it, can I put the door down now? Yes, I can. Right. Okay. The
Where the
slime
hell
has
am
been
I?
destroyed, like usual.
What the hell is this place? Hello, sir.
Okay, I need another door. Quick. The Shleemy's coming and it's becoming nighttime. Bro, what are you doing?
Wait, what's this?
Get inside the
Oh, it's
damn house.
broke. 3 item, 5 items? Nah.
No. You're not sure.
Wait, I can't get
Oh,
stuff.
just go with it. Oh, that makes life so much easier. Door opened. Okay.
Dream or dream? This dream. You dream of fire.
No. Okay, bro, what are you doing? Get inside the house. I built this house for a reason, you know? Not for you to be outside.
I'm trying to kill Brody.
Okay. This is all of the walls I can make. I need to go outside at nighttime and chop down trees, dude. I'm gonna
The grand
destroy
temple
the
begins to
sign.
rise. Warning. That doesn't sound good. Not
Oh my
these,
god.
not these guys again. Not these guys. You guys can ruin my last run when I was having a good run. Why are there like 10 million of them? Why are there 10 million of them? I don't want these. I don't want. Leave me alone, Blaz.
Yeah, I think if I chop down like one more tree, then it should be good.
I don't want.
I know why. Get inside. This guy wants to die, dude. I swear.
I'm so rich already. Like, bro, where did that guy come from? Where did you come from? No. Leave me alone, Blaz.
Well, I swear last time I played this was like a setting that allows it so that you can like an easy placing, I think. I need that like right now. Camera bag?
And what am I supposed to do? What?
Smart cursor.
I hate the elder guy so badly. I like to do characters. I want to try.
You're so
In the vid.
weird. Oh.
Artificial. This is what my friend played as, and you they look. But try this guy, cause I don't know.
There
He
are
does.
vitamins right here.
Oh,
Let's go.
damn
What do you
wait.
do? Oh, get destroyed?
R.
Get obliterated. Wait, what are you doing?
This is
Get
irrelevant to
inside.
talk about. So R just switches my gun.
Just get inside the damn house, bro. Unless you wanna
And
die.
I can like bam.
You guys.
Smeesh. Bam.
Wait.
Bam. Get more attack speed. No, he's gotta be overpowered.
I can't.
Meow. The guy is so slow though.
Fallen star. It's okay. Get destroyed, get jumped over, short king. Oh. Get the hell in here. Wyatt, I do not like you. Just try to, like, kill me every chance you get at it, bro.
And then I can like get
But
out
you
of
were supposed
plus.
to help me.
Do we have those? Meow.
There are eyeballs. Oh god.
I'm gonna fight the boss right now.
All I know it's just like an Eye of Cthulhu.
Mhm.
There's like a skeleton boss and King Slime. That's it. Oh yeah, Plantera also. I don't know if there's any other bosses than that, but
You say that, I know like so many more bosses.
well, I don't watch like Terraria.
I watched like only like 100 days ones are like modded. They're
Get
like
in here. Quiet.
you don't
Are
actually
you
like
dumb?
study it. Or can I want to, I wish I could
Seriously.
actually run something instead of like being the one's like one health. It just annoys me.
There's another one.
Let me just get this real quick on my knee, I said. I don't like this guy. That's kind of dog.
Yeah, what? Kind of dog?
I mean, dog.
Everybody's kind of dog. Get this right, get this right, get this right, get absolutely
The movement, I like
obliterated.
it.
Okay, so what else can I
This.
grab?
Oh, problem. Wait, that's actually good. If they have more than 90 health, I mean, they can do that. If I do
I
already,
didn't
like,
even know
delete
the
all their
focus
health,
of this guy. Oh wait, spiked shackle?
buddy, come down here.
Pokeball.
Buddy, buddy,
How
you
do I
can't just wander around up
shift
there.
it? Do I put it in here? It gives me one defense and 2% damage.
I'll put the bosses, why
I'm gonna
not?
take off my beanie because like
You're hot.
because I've preserved my headphones over my beanie. And then this guy's just trying to get me fucking killed. Okay, there we go. Have my beanie off now. I'll have to try like knocking air off. This right, get this right, get this
I'm
right,
kind
get
of
this right.
shredding. I'm actually shredding Buddy's health. Buddy's health getting
Now
absolutely
get down here,
destroyed.
get down here, little bro. What are you doing, man? This is why I handle them and not you because you're absolutely shit at the game, bro. All you do is let them inside, that's it. You help them. You're supposed to be helping me here, bro. Not them. Wait, fallen stars is ammo?
Boom,
Hello?
boom.
Yeah, I'm getting a bow, dude.
Tablimo. Get one tap, buddy. Okay, one tap. Get free.
Okay, can I make arrows?
Get
though?
360'd.
If I can.
Get 360'd.
Because I need stone and wood.
No.
I have 250 arrows.
360, buddy.
So like something I need to put it in like muck.
Mhm.
So I just put it in my inventory and it's like automatically works. Okay, yes it does. Can you wait, bro? Bow is easy. How are you this bad with it? Wait, no, for apricot. I cannot be trusted for anything. Wait, life region? Is it
I think
increased?
this one,
I
I'm
thought it was
gonna
supposed to, like,
do
by
this
default.
one here on me, and then I'm gonna.
Okay. Well, I can get flaming arrows. Hell yeah. What the hell are you doing? Well, honestly, now I want Wyatt to die, bro. Because he tries to kill me.
Bow, bow, now, bow, 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 now, bow, now. Oh, that's nice. I thought I was using the railgun to just like one tap anything I see. Like one tap, maybe not. You don't tap
Assuming
me.
the next stuff that I'm gonna be able to make is like stone. If it become daytime, that would be, you know, so lovely. It's like awesome, you know. Wait, that guy looks like he has armor. Where is Wyatt now? He's up there. I'm blind. You know what? I'm just gonna kill these zombies. This is like a baby zombie. Way short. Are you supposed to be a lady? Okay, well, you look like you have armor, and I want that. Ew. Mini Eye of Cthulhu. Get that. Oh, ow, ow, ow. I'm gonna be.
How long are you
No,
already
no.
recording for?
Get over here. Get
Perfect.
over here.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna undo.
This one. When is it gonna become daytime?
I'm gonna hit that.
I'm just gonna go out at nighttime at this point. Like,
Boom.
be single.
No, T plus extra damage
Okay.
bosses. I don't like you guys because I can't one tap you. Try to use machine gun to kill you. Ah, hello, sir. What you trying to do over there? Hello, sir. Bye bye. I don't like you anymore because it's only one tap. The healing drone plus. Let's go. Can't tell. Okay, that's good. Let's try to kill enemies to summon a ghost. That seems good. Damn, bro. Yo. I have a bunch of things on my side. How is that gonna work in a thing? That's just a hit. That's actually good. The machine gun one.
Don't you guys just like think it's like funny when it gets this kind of thing? It's like so funny, you know? It's like,
You want to see him do work.
What
Bruh.
is this? Iron. Ooh, let's go.
Oh, that's nice.
Daryl's. I found a ruthless zombie armor and it's like really good. Okay, this like smart cursor was helping me. Oh wait, I should not go down there. Mana crystal. Permanently increases mana by. No, I'm gonna get something that increases mana. Like if I just like already start working, it's like I can already like see the vision, you know. I can already see the vision.
Yes, the robot drives in water. Perfectly normal.
Wait, but then like I know you can get vines in this game that you can make like a rope with, so you can get out places. But how do we get those vines? I see more iron. Also, guys, like I say in every video, if you guys want me to test out like, or just not test out, just play a specific game, then just tell me that in the comments.
Just to make sure
And
it's free.
chances are, I'm just gonna play it.
Just make sure if it's completed, have the make sure it's that. So I can actually get it. There's also a slight chance if I may buy it.
Can I put a torch in my offhand?
This guy is annoying me so much.
Is there like offense in this game? Anywhere else?
I don't think so.
Wait, does me going to settings pause again? Yes, it does. I'm going in controls, I don't care. Grapple? I'm gonna need that. Inventory? I don't like this inventory button. So I'm gonna switch map out with like, and like, so that map can be like
I don't know why, I just like sniping railgun.
Style can be escape. That's like gonna be way better, dude. You don't understand. Toggle journey power C. Oh my god, there's no fan. Man, I wanna cry now. Wait, can I drop it? I'm already. I said, so I don't even understand it. Okay, row 2. Yeah, actually, I would change it, but T is a pretty accessible button. Bro, I can one-tap slimes. Oh my god. Wait, did it throw the entire stack? Yes, it does. Give me that back. How do I throw like one? It's impossible to do that then. What is that? Copper. Like, so I can just make coins then? I think they're called copper coins. Up there. This little piece, dude. It's in my way. What is that? More copper. Hey. You know, I get hit like that. Why are you facing that way?
Am I just blind that I can't find the teleportation? Moshi.
Ow. Let's get fucking Wombo Combo. I can't stop swearing, like. Sorry. Oh, well, I got rope free. Give me that. I
What
can
health?
make rope now. Rope coil. Throw to create a climbable line of rope. That sounds useful. Probably because it is. How does it work? I mean, how it says it works, I guess. I didn't really know what I expected. But another Discord ping. Can I get this? No, I can't. I'm gonna go bad. What Discord ping? From the same server. So the announcement. Okay. So, chill out. Wait, did I get something when I made these? Full damage question mark? I don't think full damage exists. Ooh.
Well, Lex Bird has 480 total gold. Okay.
Angry climbing claws, a purple goal. Ready to slide down the walls. So I put this on here. Wait, Daryl's is there full damage in this game?
Yes.
Man,
Maybe enter
I
and
don't
you just get sadder and angrier.
chill out, slime, chill out. I got a
I
bomb.
spent so long at the same place just to
And
try
greedy
to
media.
find the damn teleportation him. I may be blind or what? I just got to find it.
Probably. Alright. Yeah. What is the goal of this game even? I don't know that I think of it. It's like,
Ontario?
just Yeah, is it just to
So,
like beat all the bosses or what?
it's actually one boss that is like the final boss. His name now.
So basically the Ender Dragon. Okay. Put the torch down. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna say the
What
one
is this?
boss that enables
Molten
like
oil?
hardcore mode, like hard mode, kinda.
Oh, I'm assuming tungsten ore is good because it's good IRL.
Yeah.
It's strong IRL. But isn't it like super brittle if you try to use it for armor? So the same goes for diamonds that I do know.
Mhm.
What is that stuff now?
Must end my vid because I can't find them. Teleportation. And I'm gonna go insane.
Wait, you drown that quickly, or is it because I'm like holding the torch, or what? Why is
There,
it a different color
finally!
now? Hello? Is this gasoline? Is it not gasoline? Gas. I don't want to find out because I don't want to blow up. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to blow up, not today. What is this stuff? Genuine. There's a way. I just realized that I'm like really deep. I should probably like get out.
I just got the stone tied him as a
Ooh.
ghost. Bruh.
What was that? How's that supposed to help me in any way? What if I just throw it up there? And make it an extension? No. Now they're just conjoined. Wait, the water's back to normal now. Does it just change or make it deeper?
Huh?
Like hard instead.
A lost in logbook. Oh. Monsters.
Put me up here. I'm surprised I made that jump.
Diamond.
This is the first place that I looted earlier. Oh, I heard like a rat or something.
I've read them before,
What's
probably.
that?
Do you see my little...
Huh?
No, I was just shaking my headphones like no to my mom. On her to defeat.
Finally, I hear other stuff. I hear things other than water. Can I make that jump? You know, I believe.
I believe I can touch the sky.
I knew I were gonna do that. I just knew it. Wait. Torch. Rope. No, to the side of it. Yes, beautiful.
Just wonder if you damage the
Make
wall.
this face.
I'm gonna get back up somehow with my guy. I'm gonna soft lock. I think I'm not soft locked.
No, I actually can't get lost in this game. I think it's like impossible because it's like 2D. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot. I can slide down walls now.
Mhm.
Does that work? Oh, wait, I can. Especially if I like
You.
just walk into a wall in midair. Why are there random stone patches?
Your me also
It's
gets
starting to become my
does it.
time. I don't want to get speed blitz, so I'm going back to bed.
Ooh,
Oh,
coin.
chill out. Oh the hell out, bro. This instant with this
Hey, you
speed.
should be dead. You should be dead. You should be dead. Oh, you wanna come here? No. No. Okay, I should say no. Then do DC fast, and then I have to pick it up.
Okay, on this little slime, deleted, bro. Cooked, destroyed. Well, I gotta go into the next. And I gotta go into the cave next. This is like I'm not gonna progress purely by traveling. So how it works? I can make a sticky bomb. The fact that you're still alive just disappoints me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like you, dude. Like, if you wanna know what you did to me, you always try to kill me every second you get. That's what you did to
Oh,
me. But wait, so what do I do with the stuff that I just got? Alright, is it like Lowe's or something? Well, okay, so I got all of this like tungsten and stuff. Now what? So I got like clay, that's found. I got hardened sand. I got iron. I got shurikens.
yeah, Stragons.
I got a
Ignat.
bommy. I got copper. I got tungsten, dude. Wait, I got another arcane shackle. Hell yeah, dude. Wait, this one does other stuff. This one gives me one defense. Wait, this is a spiked shackle and this one's an arcane shackle. Interesting. Oh, what am I supposed to do now? Like, I can't make a furnace or like an anvil or something. So like, what's the next step of like? That all. So what do I do after crafting table?
Just like run. Can't you make a furnace? You can. You need stone, I
I
think.
don't see the crafting recipe. How much stone?
I don't know. You just need stone.
Yeah, maybe I do need more stone. See, this is why I don't like you. This is why your existence despises me, Wyatt. This is why I despise your existence. You made me forget how to English, bro. What the hell is wrong with you, man? Chill out. Huh? Get destroyed. And what is that? What did you just? Okay.
Okay, yo. I have
Why
2,000 dollar,
you
but I
like?
can't spend my 2,000 dollar.
Why is your eye? Why do you have an eyelid? It's supposed to be an open up eye. You know what? What are you gonna ask?
Why? Because why not?
Well, there was like a little stone area over here that I remember of. There it is. but they're not
And there are
uploaded.
those some piercing rounds.
Plus, I have 69 torches.
Oonie-doo.
About,
Freaky. I'm gonna do so much damage to the boss.
You guys ready to get destroyed? Yeah, okay, yes, 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 yes. I got a lens. I got 2 lenses now. Die, get destroyed. But he's busy getting destroyed, okay?
I summoned the boss.
Okay, already got destroyed.
Not the Impovlord. Where is Impovlord? Oh, hello, sir. Why do some damage? Why does it have to be Brody here
Chill
now?
out.
Die, die,
Okay,
die,
now it's
die,
like
die, die, die,
26
die, die,
stone.
die,
That's
die,
really
die,
good.
die,
Funny.
die, 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 die,
What do you
die.
have purple? Oh, wait. Yeah, because it's corrupted, not crimson.
Oh, okay.
And then,
That's the bit,
jump
I
over?
guess.
Nope.
Okay, of course
It's
it's the
around.
mini
Nope.
guy died from. Well, I unlocked 2 new
They
characters,
try to jump over me
and
to outsmart
I
me,
didn't
but
get
Brody
to
just
more
went.
than one. See you guys next time. I don't know when's the next time, but yeah, peace.